How to convert text files to PDF. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to effortlessly convert your text files into PDF documents. Download and install RecoveryTools TXT file converter. You can find the download link in the description below. After installation, launch the RecoveryTools TXT file converter. This represents the user interface of RecoveryTools TXT software. Click on the Next button within the software interface to select the text files you wish to convert to PDF. RecoveryTools TXT Converter provides users with dual options. They can either select individual text files by clicking Select Files, or choose the Select Folder option to insert multiple folders at once. Choose the Select File mode to browse text files from your system. You can choose one or multiple files for batch conversion. Click Open. Let's also opt for the Select Folder option to choose one or multiple folders. Choose the folder containing the text files you wish to convert. Then, click on the Select Folder option. The selected folder path will be displayed. Click Next. Check or select files or folders you want to convert. Click Next again. This is the Select Saving option, where you choose the desired format for conversion. This option allows you to specify the destination path for exporting your files. Users also have the option to add email address for email saving option. Users also have the flexibility to select a different saving option if you wish to convert the files into another format, such as HTML, EML, MSG, PST, EMF, DOC, and PDF. Users can also choose to include an email address for the email saving option through PST, EML, and MSG. Let's select the desired output format. For this tutorial, choose PDF. Next, specify the destination folder where you want the converted PDF files to be saved by, clicking on the folder icon button and selecting your preferred folder. Click on Make New Folder and name it either Text to PDF or any specific name you prefer. Click OK. With all settings configured, it's time to initiate the conversion process. Simply click on the Convert button and RecoveryTools TXT file converter will begin converting your text files to PDF format. Once the conversion is complete, you'll receive a notification box indicating the process was successful. Click OK. The trial version of the RecoveryTools TXT converter will only convert up to 5 files. To increase the limit, you have to purchase the subscription. Click on OK to open the destination folder or navigate to the output folder to access your newly converted PDF files. Open the PDF files to verify the conversion. In the trial version, PDF files will contain a watermark. To increase the conversion limit or eliminate watermarks, users may need to purchase a subscription to the software. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your text files to PDF using RecoveryTools TXT file converter. It's a quick and efficient tool for anyone looking to streamline their document conversion process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. For more details, check the descriptions.